about in this video why I rock with Gary Vee. All right, now Gary Vee, if you don't know, which I'm sure you probably do, he's like a big time marketing go-getter, guru type, tycoon business, you name it. He's very, very popular when it comes to the motivation, especially in the business world. And he's just involved with a lot of different things. And from what I understand, he's probably like a multi-millionaire, maybe even close to a billionaire, who knows. But why? Like, why does he resonate with me? Why does he resonate with so many people? I heard about Gary Vee a couple years ago, and I actually bought one of his books. I forgot. I think it's called Crushing It, right? I actually got that book. And if you want to check it out, I'll put a link to it in the description. You can get it on Amazon. But Gary Vee, like, he says a lot of stuff, right? He has a lot of opinions and blah, 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 blah. He is very successful. But what stands out to me is his grind. His work ethic is what stands out more than anything that he actually says. I mean, he says some good stuff, don't get me wrong, helpful stuff, but it's just his relentlessness, his just constant content, it's just like non-stop. It's always, he always has some sort of clip on Instagram. He's always on YouTube, right? Now he's always on TikTok. This dude is just everywhere, you know. And they say that I don't know who said it. Is it him or somebody? You know, that you need to have that omnipresence. You need to be felt everywhere. Everybody need to feel you, right? And that's pretty much what this dude does. And that's mainly why I rock with him, because it's not really what he says in his marketing strategies. Everything he says ain't right. He says some good stuff, but everything ain't right. But it's just his grind, right? That's what I take away from Gary Vee. The grind, the hustle, the never stop mentality. And don't get me wrong, a lot of motivational, I can't even talk, a lot of motivational, you know, speakers, that's what they tell you to do. Never stop, keep going, keep pushing, damn it, right? And, you know, that's nice to hear that. But what makes Gary Vee stand out is the fact that you can see him doing it. You know, it's one thing saying it, somebody telling you to grind it out, but you can see with just all of the content, how he films everything, and you can see this and that. Now, if you're watching this and you're like, I'm just getting started and I'm gonna try to do exactly what Gary Vee do. Yeah, I'm gonna do the same shit he doing. Slow down, right? And one thing that a lot of people need to be aware, despite how real Gary Vee is and you know, all the content, you know, Gary Vee does have a team, right? He has a team of people that post for him, and I'm sure he posts some things, but to have that much content with him still having meetings and everything, Gary Vee has a team. Don't get it twisted. But what you can do is similar to Gary Vee, because you most likely, you can't hire, you know, 5 to 10 people, right? But you can still have that grind. You still can post content every day, right? You still can post on, you know, several platforms every day if you want, because that's where the grind at. You just gotta make the time to do this stuff. Now, I highly suggest, no matter what you're doing, start with one thing, one platform that you just kill, right? Right? One platform that you just kill, and another platform that you kind of just, you know, throw stuff on, you know, just get more content out there before you can get to the point where you can hire a team, right? You need to be doing your thing on your own. You need to be smashing whatever platform you feel comfortable with, and not necessarily whatever platform that somebody tell you to be on. You need to be on the platform just getting started. Use the platform that you feel most comfortable with. Use the platform that that you can post the most content and feel comfortable doing, right? So if it's YouTube, then rock YouTube hard, right? Do a video a day. Do 4 videos a week. Do 2 YouTube shorts a week, right, on your channel, right? If it's Facebook, go hard on Facebook. Join all of the relevant groups to your niche and post once a day in groups. You know what I'm saying? Send messages to people, tag people, post content, attraction marketing, post content on your Facebook all the time, right? You a TikTok, you like, yo, I love doing short videos. Then rock the hell out of TikTok, right? But the key is, and don't take my word, look at Gary Vee. It's all about the grind. That's what it's about. It's all about the grind. And that's why I rock with Gary Vee. And that's what got my mind like, just don't stop. Keep dropping that content. Keep dropping that content. And the success is going to come. Oh, it's going to come.